In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn exactly how to trigger drip campaigns when a form is completed. If you've been wondering how to set up this automation, stick around because I'll walk you through it step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started. And trust me, this is easier than it sounds. First, let's talk about what a drip campaign is. It's essentially a sequence of pre-written emails that are sent out automatically when a user takes a certain action, like filling out a form. This is super helpful for staying in touch with leads or customers and nurturing them over time. Now, how do we trigger this when a form is completed? The process is actually pretty straightforward. Let's get into it. Start by choosing your form builder or CRM software. This software will be the key to connecting your forms to your email campaigns. I've tested a few popular platforms, and the one I recommend because it's easy to set up and reliable is linked in the description below. You can try it for free, and I promise this exclusive trial is worth checking out if you want to follow along. Once you're logged into the software, the first step is to create the form you want to use. Whether it's a contact form, a lead generation form, or a survey form, make sure it's fully customized to capture the necessary information. Next, you'll want to create your drip campaign. This is where the magic happens. Go to the automation section of your software. This is typically where you'll set up triggers and actions. The trigger, in this case, is the form completion. You'll select Form Submitted as the trigger event, and then choose the specific form that you want to use for this campaign. You may have multiple forms, but make sure to pick the one that suits your needs. Once you have that trigger set up, you'll define what happens next. The action is usually sending out a series of emails. This is where you map out your drip campaign. Set the delays between each email, decide the content, and make sure you're personalizing them based on the information captured in the form. For instance, if they filled out a contact form with their location, you can use that to personalize the emails. Now, don't forget to test everything. I can't stress this enough. Testing ensures that the form submits properly and the drip campaign fires off exactly when it's supposed to. After testing, you're all set. One more thing, keep track of your campaign performance. Check your email open rates and click-through rates to see if the campaign is achieving its goals. You can tweak the email content or timing to improve results. To recap, start by creating your form, then set up your drip campaign trigger based on form submission, and finally, don't forget to test and track your results. So what's the key takeaway from this video? You can easily trigger drip campaigns when a form is completed by setting up the right triggers and automations in your software. It's a great way to ensure consistent follow-ups with your leads and customers, saving you time while improving engagement. Before you go, I want to remind you to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've been using by clicking the link in the description. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and it's a fantastic way to get started with your own automation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to test out those automations to make sure they work smoothly.